Okay, we're watching right here is there's a hawk there and he's getting dive bombed by several birds. Well, it was several birds and he's moved. And this is not the first time that we've seen this recently. Just outside the city we've seen it. And
Birds flew away for some reason. Oh, here comes Birdwatch.
here comes a bird dive bombing him. May not be able to see that. But he's being dive bombed by several birds. Different birds. You can see them all over there dive bombing him. Right now there's only the one bird there. And there he goes.
The other birds are following him, man.
Actually, he came right to us. He's sitting right above the car light post. Bet. We're underneath a light post here, and we're just watching this. See the big bird, Sophie?
Yep. It won't bite me.
Why is he taking pictures of them? Are you recording?
Hey, well, we're going to have a good day, folks. And we're going to head off to church now. We'll talk to you later.
Bye.